maybe the next few days, then I'll upload into YouTube. I will send the link. You all can watch that so that you can listen to it a second time. All those of you who are coming here first time, bear with me, and then let me go through the presentation with you, okay? So thank you very much. Now that we already said that, Superlife Wealth Creation Global Franchise. Today with the pandemic, we realize that we need health and we need wealth. Both are important. And we also realize that whatever job, whatever business we thought we were secured with, it essentially we are not secured. I realized this a long ago. In fact, 36 years ago, that I am my own security. My job is not my security. My education is not my security. The business I'm doing is not my security. I am my own security. And that realization came because I participated in a program like this when I was 22 years old, while working as an employee with Income Tax Department, in Malaysian Income Tax Department. So I am, like most of you, an employee who started off with the government, and then I realized through this opportunity that touched me 36 years ago, and the old way, the traditional way. And even in the traditional way, I was able to bring out my leadership qualities, my entrepreneur spirit. And today, with the advent of technology, I was able to use all that as a wisdom to work with young people and to go global, guys. So we are giving you a very powerful system. And this system started not today, not yesterday. It started 75 years ago, when the last pandemic after the Second World War in 1945. And when it started, it was called friendship marketing. Friendship marketing. Today, there are so many names for it, but I like to retain that friendship marketing. So SLWC Global Franchise is a friendship marketing 2.0. Why 2.0? As you go along the way, you realize why it is a 2.0 business. Okay. Now, what are you going to do? You're going to purchase a franchise. Good time, bad time. If you go to any malls anywhere in the world, you will see franchise business still thriving, guys. Whether it's McDonald's, Kentucky Fried Chicken, Starbucks, or Cafe Day, or whatever franchise business, you see that it's there. Papa Rich in Malaysia and all that. And this is what we are giving you now. We are giving you a franchise business, but we are not giving you at the cost of what you need to buy the normal franchise business. For a fraction of $1, and from the comfort of your home, through the power of your smartphone, you buy this franchise from Superlife, the company, to do a business, and you're going to go global. That's what we call it, start local, go global. You can be anywhere in the world. You can start from there through your phone, and you can have a very powerful global business to you, global business for you. Okay. Now, when you participate, when you purchase this franchise, you are going to get 4 benefits, 4 powerful benefits. What are the 4 powerful benefits? Many people ask, what is the need for me if I join? These are the benefits, guys. Number 1, you will get a self-care health program. Self-care health program. Remember, I told you that what we started 3 years ago as a luxury today has become a necessity. Today, health has become very important, and COVID-19 has to realize that. Corona is just the virus, but COVID-19 is the disease created by the virus. The Corona started in 2019, and it became COVID-19 in February. When it became COVID-19, it created havoc around the world. It created havoc health-wise. Many people are losing their lives, and those people who are remaining alive, they have lost their jobs, they have lost their business. Almost 300 million people worldwide have lost their jobs. In Malaysia, so far, almost 700 to 800,000 people have lost their job. Our population is 35 million, 710, 800,000 people losing their job is quite big, guys. The last time this happened to Malaysia is 1986. And then 31%, Facebook's record shows 31% of small business have gone IDO. In Spanish, we say IDO, just gone. And now, while that's happening, people are so scared to go out. They have to wear a mask to do their task. So we have something, and if you see the right way, can help you to retain your health. And we are not asking to sell these products that are going to come. There is a physical product, but we are not asking to sell. Use the product, feel the product, and share the product. And in India, the pandemic is very bad, and it's going to like 1,500 people getting the disease on a per day basis. Okay. Now, Galaxy A3K, if you raise your hand, it's going to disrupt my flow. If you have a question, just write on my personal chat. Okay, I'll handle that. Now, in 1,500 people are average are getting this disease every day. Many celebrities got the disease. So if you have the immunity taken care, you do not worry about this. I was talking to one of our leaders this morning, and that leader, being an advocate, a lawyer, he has done a survey. All those people have taken our product and they didn't contract this illness, guys, because we take care of our immunity very well with the product. So self-care health program. Number two, you have self-DIY wealth program. What is wealth program? You see, because of this corona, because of this COVID-19, we were not able to go out. And because we were not able to go out, we were not able to make our money. So today, everybody is going to go online, are going online to learn something to do online. So that is why even Facebook has created Facebook shops to help all those small businessmen who have lost their job, the 31%, to open up shops online in Facebook. So this is something like that. We are opening up, you can open up a shop through your phone and you can do business globally, guys. Do it yourself. And you don't have to have lots of money to do that. You can do it right from the comfort of your home through the power of your smartphone. And then you have a global technopreneurship learning program. We will guide you, we will coach you as long as you are reachable, teachable, and coachable. It doesn't matter which country you belong to, it doesn't really matter. Today with the COVID-19, we realize one thing. It's not the race, it's the grace, guys. When we were given the freedom to move around easily, we saw the race, we saw the color, we saw the religion, we saw this, we saw that. We were not integrating, we were segregating. Now with Zoom, we are integrating, guys. We are integrating globally now. And that is the power. So micro-learning, micro-teaching. What is micro-learning? Through the microchip in your phone, you can learn business and you can teach business. And that's what we are doing now globally. And if you see it the right way, you can go a big way with us, guys. And all this comes tagging along with the business. You don't have to pay extra money for that. Super Leadership Personal Development Program. We are not teaching you here to lead people. That's not our job, guys. If you cannot lead yourself, how can you lead another person? Super leadership means lead yourself first. And what you learn from leading yourself, what you gain, teach others. If you don't gain anything, how are you going to teach other people, guys? If I don't see money, how can I teach another person how to make money? So this is taking care of ourselves first and then helping other people in the process. So these are the 4 benefits you're going to get when you do this business. If you see this the right way, you can go a big way with us, guys. Now, what is the business model that we are using? Today, the business models in the world are all online based. From Facebook to Alibaba to Microsoft to Amazon, you can see all the huge business in the world today are all internet based, online based. Bill Gates put it very well. If your business is not on internet, it's not a business. So we are showing you a way how to do that kind of business, and you are tagging on with a company which has got all these ingredients for success. Number 1 is a stable company. People may ask, okay, you say it's a new company, started 3 years ago. How can you say it's a stable company? The stability of the company is based on its performance and its management, guys. And a good managed company will get better performance. And we have got 4 powerful guys who are managing the company. As we go along the way, I'll share with you how well they're managing the company. Then we have a powerful product. If you look at companies which are 100 years old, from Mercedes-Benz to BMW to Kentucky Fried Chicken to McDonald's, all these companies are 100-year-old companies. They are there because of their products, guys. We have a flagship product now, which has gone to almost 45 countries and is growing very big and taking care of people globally now. And the timing. You see, any business you do, timing is very important. I always believe time is what I have, timing is what God gives me. And if you may have prayed somewhere, you may have asked somewhere, you may have done something, some good somewhere, and this is your timing for you to make your millions. And Shakespeare said it very well when he said, there comes a time in the affairs of man, a wave, when taken at the flood, will take him to greater heights. It's not just hard work alone. And this is a very powerful timing. If the 92 of you watching in video and many of you who are watching in audio, you are now listening to this opportunity because you have done something good sometime before. So please give yourself a tap on your back. When you give a tap on the back, it's like giving a clap on your hands, okay? So this is the power, guys. And Superlife is not even 3 years old company. Come September, we will be officially 3 years in Malaysia. In many other countries, we are just beginning, guys. So it's a powerful, today's young people call this startup opportunity. When I was young, we used to call this pioneering opportunity. Either way is the same. And next is, we are giving you a very powerful start local, go global, borderless business. You may have the best of expertise. You may have the best of service. You may be loving, you may be caring, you may be a good father, good mother, and you love everyone. But if there is no income, in Hindi we say hangama ho gaya, nothing can happen. And today our income is determined by the market size we have. So we are giving you a chance to go to global market, guys. And normally this global market is played by tycoons, it's played by governments. But today, even ordinary people like you and me can become extraordinary by joining us to start local, go global into a global business. Doesn't matter which country you come from, whether poor country, rich country, doesn't really matter. The word rich to me means not the money that you have. Rich, R-I-C-H, right to change. So if you exercise your right to change through Superlife, then just like how the 3 years we created many millionaires out of the ordinary, you also can become extraordinary with us, guys. So Superlife Life is super. Next is we have a very powerful educational system. If you don't learn something, you're going to gamble, guys. And every religion in the world says gambling is not good. And there are only two ways to make money. One, we call it probability. The other one we call possibility. Probability means 1 in a million. Lotto is 1 in a million, yet people queue up to buy lotos or totos, we call it. But here is possibility, 1 in 10. Every 10 people you see, maybe 1 people want to have what you have. So this is possibilities, guys. And that's why many people, young people as old as 19 years old, older people as old as 90 years old are doing very well with us. Okay, so we got a very powerful education system to make your possibility even better. So as long as you're willing to listen, as long as you're willing to learn, and as long as you're willing to lead yourself to success, you can do this for others also. Learn, teach, and duplicate, we call it. So very powerful system. This entire thing, we call it SLWC Global System, guys. To me, the word system is save yourself time, energy, and money. Today, either you work for a system or you create your system and let the system to work for you. For 8 years, I didn't understand this power. I was working for a system called income tax. I was very loyal, I was very diligent, and I was very good in what I was doing. But because I was working for the system paid me a salary once a month. And this word salary came from a Latin word, which means salt. Those days, the ancient days, people are paid their dues by salt because salt was very expensive. So today I go and serve the same organization, I get salt every month in a form of salary, and which is very limited to me, is limited to my loved ones. So then I realized that the best way to do business, and business is something you create and let it work for you. So if you see this right way, you can have the best way. You can do like what I did. Now we have a system that can make the income for you guys. Now we have very powerful entities here. You see, you buy a system. Today, everything in the world is being moved by system. iPhone is a system. Android phone is a system. Within the iPhone and Android phone, there are 3 systems that run that. One is the iPhone. If the iPhone system is Apple, there to support that. Android, there will be Microsoft to support that. And then we also have the telcos to support. And then within the system itself, we got YouTube system, this system, that system, and all that. So now it's a system. It's all about world of system, guys. So we are giving you a powerful system called SLWC Global System. Within that, it's got 3 entities. Number 1, the Superlife, the company. You see, I'm becoming a member of Superlife. When I become a member of Superlife, I don't have to worry about online infrastructure. I don't have to worry about learning and spending a lot of money to go and learn that. I have a fellow trainer of mine. During this COVID-19, he saw that all his income is disrupted because he cannot talk to anyone anymore. So what he did, he enrolled himself with a guru from Singapore, online guru, and he paid about 10,000 ringgit just to learn how to go online. You don't have to do that, guys. You become a member of Superlife. Superlife will take care of all that for you. You can go and learn, yet you have to go and source for products. You have to go and get an OEM for the products, and then you have to work with the manufacturer. It's a lot of work. Superlife has taken care of all that. You just be a member. Superlife also takes care of timely reward. Today, a lot of people will work. Today, a lot of people will do business. Today, a lot of people will do professional services. But whether we are going to get an income timely is a question mark now. But here there is a chance for you to get timely reward, guys. Then timely recognition. You see, recognition is very important. That's why selfies have become popular. Today, many people, like, they have their own employment. They can be doctors, they can be self-employed in any profession or any business, but very rarely they get recognition, guys. Here we got excellent recognition, so many recognition within a year. As long as you do, you get paid, you get recognized. Next is recreation. This is what the 3 R's the souls crave for. They wanted, souls want to be rewarded, souls want to be recognized, souls want recreation, guys. You see, we work very hard for companies, we work very hard for organization, and then we take leave once a week to go for a vacation. To me, the last I worked was 15 May 1990. That was last I worked, because that's the day I resigned from income tax. After that, I work no more, because every day is vacation for me. So either you find something you love to do, you'll be on vacation every day, or you join our business, you can go for vacation at least 3 times a year, guys. If not for the pandemic, we are supposed to be in Switzerland now. Because Switzerland, we wanted to go to the factory and all that. Also, that was our plan, if not for the pandemic. But now, even if you join us today, and if you see it the right way, you have a chance to participate in our next trip to Dubai trip, okay? So timely reward, timely recognition, timely recreation, guys. Next is we are giving you a very powerful educational system. I told you that. And I'm a principal for that. I have this wisdom of 36 years. I combine together as a system, and then I give that under leadership development program together with our dominator team. Dominator team leads you. You see, there's a saying, African saying, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go with a group. So if you want to go far, go with a group called Dominator. And Dominator has got a system. And together with the system and Dominator, you can go very far with SuperLife, guys. Every business needs hard work. So our tagline here is hard work, system work, and teamwork. So as long as you're willing to do that, you can go far with us, guys. Now, how to make money? Yes, this is business. If you go and ask any accountant, what is the definition of business? Business means profit. If you don't make profit, that's not a business. So to make profit, the word profit, you have to make yourself fit for that. You have to know about the business well, and then you can make the money well. And I always say it's not how long in the business that matters, how much of the business is inside you. That's very important, guys, okay? Then now, you have a system called How to Make Money in the SuperLife Way, SLWC Global Way. Now, we can give you the how to do, but you need to establish a why to do, guys. You need to establish a why to do. How do you establish the why to do? This is what you need to do. I'm going to get a breather now. I'm going to show you something now so that you can see how to establish a why to do. SuperLife has got a summit this year. That summit is called Raising the Bar. If you want to take a challenge to raise your bar despite the bar, you are being barred at home because of COVID-19, despite being barred at home, you got a chance to raise the bar through our system. And if you see the right way, you can participate in Dubai. Mr. Lohanat, please, sir, do not wear your singlet and please do not dig your this thing all in front of us here, okay? So please be presentable so that I'm also looking at you. If I'm looking at you, everybody's looking at you, sir, okay? So if you're coming here, you may be in your home, but please be presentable, guys. Otherwise, we have to remove you, okay? So now, raising the bar. 4 days, 3 nights leadership summit in Dubai. The last summit we went to in Thailand is awesome, guys, just before the lockdown. And you can go for holidays alone. But if you go for a summit to learn, and you can have a fantastic summit, guys. And SuperLife Summit is totally different. The last time I was helping a company, a US-based company, I went to Panama with them for a leadership summit. But if you ask me, what did I see in Panama? I only know Hard Rock Cafe. We were there for 4 days, 3 nights in Hard Rock Cafe. We enjoyed, we had fun because a lot of Latinos came there and a lot of dance and all that. But apart from that, we didn't go around Panama, guys. But here, SuperLife is fun first. Learn only 1 day or me half a day. So if you really come for this, you are going to have a lot of fun and you're going to have your leader in you arising within you. You can raise your bar, guys. So let us watch a video before I continue so I can get a breather. And this is what we are telling you. Establish the why to do before you come with the how to do. You see, earlier it was supposed to be in January 2021, if not for the COVID-19. But now the company is extended. That's a good news for you all. The campaign has been extended until end of this year. So even if you join us today, if you see the right way, you can be with us in Dubai, guys. So you see, in life, if you want to do something, Stephen Covey, the business mogul, said, begin with the end in mind. So come with us, even if you join today, and you can be with us Dubai, and at the same time you can raise your bar, guys. Okay. So lockdown, knock down poverty. That is our concept now for this COVID-19. Lockdown, knock down poverty. And this was inspired by our founder himself. When he used to go to Africa, he always has this simple song called Super Life Come, Money Come, Poverty Go. Super Life come, money come, poverty go. Very simple. And today, simplicity is ample city, guys. So we all are very simple people. Our founder is a very simple person, and we are going to go together, collaboration of souls for celebration of life. And if you see the right way, you can go big way with us, guys. And we are teaching you now with the help of Zoom, with the help of technopreneurship, you can make bigger money. 3 years ago, we started as technopreneurship using WhatsApp and all that. And that is, we spoke about big money. But today with Zoom, we call it Zoompreneurship. You are going to become a Zoompreneur because you're going to see mano a person, and going to feel the person, and you're going to teach the person. And because of that, the speed of money making become faster, guys, now. The many of us here, we made within this 6 months or 7 months or 8 months of this COVID-19, much more money than the 3 years put together. And that's how big a money you can make because of the power of Zoom, guys. So we are not talking about big money anymore, bigger money. Next is faster money. It's fast simply because of technology, guys. And I will tell you as I go along the way why Superlife is called the speed is the new currency of business, and why Superlife is going that fast. Thirdly is simpler way. We are showing you a very simple way using the gadget that you have in your hand. And with the gadget, you're connected to the whole world, guys. And because of that, the whole world is in your hand now. Today, now I have about 97 of you now in video. There will be more of you in audio. And this is called a little village now. The African saying says, it takes the whole village to raise a child. Today, the whole world has become the whole village, guys. Okay. So if you see the right way, you can go big way with us. How simple is the business? You can make money while you're sleeping, guys. Warren Buffett said, if you don't make money while you're sleeping, you'll work for the rest of your life. So we are giving you a simple chance, a simple opportunity where you can make money while you are sleeping. Because as you are sleeping somewhere, somebody will be awake in some other country. And if that person is connected to you in the business through your phone, and then when that person is working, you will make some residual income. And when you are working somewhere else, some people are making residual income. Every residual income combined together will give you one solid income, guys. So we make money by helping other people to make money. And this is called real-time income. You see, most business, we were, the last 60 years, 70 years, we only trained to make one income end of the month. We have to wait 1 month for our income. Today, as I work, I get on the spot. That's why I call it real time. And then we also have daily income. Why must we feel that only businessmen can get daily income? Every one of us can get daily income, guys. And if you want to get daily income through any business, you have to have lots of capital to start the business first. Some of you may have lots of money to start the business, but you may not have the experience. Some people lose the money because of don't have experience, guys. And some people, what they do, they go into partnership, and that's the worst thing people can do. Because if there's no chemistry, then what happens? That whole money goes, the business goes. And many of the business in the world ruins because of partnership. Even husband and wife today's wedding, when people can get married, and then when the moment they come out of the church or temple or this thing, they get divorced immediately. That's how fast marriage is happening. What more business partnership, guys? So we are showing you a way where it is your own effort, your individual own effort. You're going to get real-time income. And at the same time, you're going to get daily income. And you're going to get it passive income, guys. Passive income. How nice when you work for a system and you create the system, after 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, you can make passive income. And that's how fast you can make passive income here, guys. Okay. Now, let me get some water. I've been speaking throughout the day. I just came back home. Okay. Now, I'm showing you in USA, Malaysia, Nigeria now, today, because last couple of weeks I showed in India currency. Today I'm going to show, because quite a number of you are in from Nigeria also. So I also want to give you all that value. Our basic program is in USA, guys. Whichever country we are not in, we will go with USA first. Whichever country that we already established, we have agency there, we based on the local currency. And because of the local currency and the local costing and the local tax, it may differ. It may be slightly more, slightly less, or slightly distinct, okay? But the basic one is USA. So this is how the SP is calculated, and I'm going to show you. The one SP is our super life currency, super points we call it. And then one SP is 1.15, USD is 11115. And one SP under ringgit is 450, one SP under naira is 500. Okay, now we have 4 packages here. 4 packages. You just have to pick the package to start your franchise. I repeat, you just have to pick the package to start your franchise. According to your why to do. If a why to do is big enough, your why to do is fast enough, and you need to pick the best package. And the best package is the super package, guys. The super package is a complete package, a complete franchise package. How much is it? In USD is 1150. In ringgit is 4,500. If you're coming from Malaysia, it's 4,500 ringgit. In naira is 550,000. 550,000 into start out. If you're from India, it's 89,000 INR. Okay, so since today is actually Friday, and I can take care of other countries on Tuesdays is always USD. Today it will be either naira or Malaysian ringgit or India INR. So today I'm going to focus on naira. If you are from Malaysia, you look at the ringgit, guys. If you are from other parts of the world, you can look at USA. So it's 550,000 naira. Okay. Then if you cannot afford that, remember you are buying a business, you're not buying product. Many people confuse that. Oh, why am I buying so much of the product? You're not buying a product, guys. You are buying a business, a worldwide global business. If you cannot afford the package, you go for the second one. Second one is 220,000 naira. 220,000 naira. In Malaysian ringgit is 1,800 or 460 USD. And that is called Supreme Package. Supreme Package. If you cannot afford that Supreme Package, I repeat again, if you cannot afford the Supreme Package, you go for the next package. And that package is called the Star Package. Star Package is 55,000 naira or 450 ringgit or 115 USD. That is Star Package. If you cannot afford the Star Package, then you go for the Starter Package, the smallest package. And that is called 30,000 naira or 250 ringgit or 65,000 USD. If you cannot afford that, you cannot go down below that. And if you cannot afford this, then you have to relook into your life, guys. How long are we going to say that I cannot afford money? This is a chance for you to raise yourself up, guys. Okay, now you can start with any one of this package. What will the system give you? The system will reward you immediately products to take care of your health. And that super package will get 10 months supply of the SCC30 product. Or you can mix match with the other products. But our base product is SCC30, which is very much needed now. And because of COVID-19 is very much in demand now, this product. The second Supreme package will give you 4 months of the product, 4 months supply of the product. And the third one, the Star package will give you 1 month supply of the product. And the Starter package will give you 15 days supply of the product. So this is what you get. You see, where will you get a business where you get something of value immediately? Most business, we don't get anything of value immediately, guys. You either have to work your blood, sweat, and tears out. Sometimes you don't even get. But here you get something of value immediately. It's almost double the value. It's almost double the value. Okay, now, there is also business tagging along. You can come for the product and there is also business tagging along. The system gives you option. Either you can settle in this or you also can extend yourself. And since most of you are here sitting here to see as a business, let me just touch on that. This is like Uber, guys. I can call for a taxi through the normal way, or I can use my apps to call for a taxi. There are months if I don't have money, I can convert my car into a taxi. The same concept, guys. So if you're looking from business point of view, every super has got 1,000 points or 20 units. Every Supreme has got 400 points or 8 units. Every star has got 100 points or 2 units. Every starter has got 50 points and 1 unit. So when you start doing your business, all this will be converted to income for you. At this moment, it will sound Greek to you. Don't worry. Once you start working, you understand the system. Every morning, it will sound love letter to you because it is money, guys. Your phone will become your cash deposit. Every day, it will be ringing for you. Okay. With super package, you can make unlimited income. Akshara Patira, they call it in Sanskrit. That means infinite bowl of prosperity. Infinite bowl of prosperity. The second package, you can make at least 9,630,000 naira. 9,630,000 naira. Or 86,670 ringgit. Or 19,260 USD. Okay, the second package. Then the star package, you can make at least 2,100,000 naira. Or 18,900 ringgit. Or 4,200 USD. The starter package, the smallest package, you can make about 705,000 naira or 6,345 ringgit or 1,410 USD, guys, on a monthly basis. Many of our college students in Malaysia or even around the world now, from India to Nigeria and all that, I'm saying they are also participating and they are funding their own college funds using this system. And then as they come in, they upgrade themselves and they are doing fantastically well in the business. And many of them already start owning, while in college, they already got countries like 10 countries, 20 countries all in business, guys. People like 20 years old, 23 years old are doing that. So young people can do that. You and I can even do even bigger. So either you're young or young at heart. Doesn't really matter. Okay. So we are giving you a system which is going to help you health-wise and wealth-wise. And this is what we need during this COVID-19 or beyond, guys. We don't know when COVID-19 is going to go or whether this is the first and last one going to come and go. Because they say even COVID-19's brother is waiting to come or cousin is waiting to come, we don't know. Okay, so at least we prepare for ourselves. The last time when we were not prepared, we were hit hard. At least those people in Superlife now, we were prepared, guys. So you come with us, either you make your money immediately or at least you prepare yourself. Now, what are the benefits you will get? There are 7 benefits here, guys. Every millionaire who becomes a millionaire will have 7 different types of business. But to become a millionaire, you at least need 7 different types of income or benefits, guys. Number 1, we have personal self-care health product. I told you about the product. Let me elaborate on the product a bit. This product is live life more with better immunity. To improve life, you need immunity, and immunity is our natural self-defense, or our first doctor, they call it. Today, even the world's best 1994 beauty, Miss Aishwarya Rai for India, she was also contracted with COVID-19, guys. So Corona doesn't care whether you're beauty or not. It cares whether you have immunity. So today the new beauty is immunity, guys. So we are giving you a system that can take care of immunity. You see, because our product will take care of a cellular level, using wellness technology at cellular level. It will take care of your, we are made of trillions of cells. And these cells need superfood, guys. When the cells need the food that you take and it goes right to the cells, cells will be happy. When cells are happy, tissues are happy. When tissues are happy, organs are happy. And there are 5 vital organs that takes care of our immunity, 5 vital organs. These 5 vital organs, when function very well, your immunity works very well, guys. So at cellular level, we take care of you and we take care to protect your cells. And in English, we call it, when a person is sick, we call it disease. What is disease? Your cells are not at ease, guys. So we are at cellular level, a product that can take care of you. And in SLWC Global Program, we are not focusing so much on sickness. That's not our job, guys. We have medical doctors to do that. Our job is prevention is better than cure. Why pay more for sickness when I can pay for wellness, guys? So we have a product that can take care of your youth, your health, and your longevity. Next, we have a product for colon care. You may have the best of the immunity, but if your colon is clogged up, your immunity will not be secreted. So, and that's why people also get sickness after that, even though they have the best of immunity. So we have a product, fantastic product that can take care of your colon, guys. Take care of your colon can take care of you, they say. Next, we have a super immune care. This is another super duper product, guys. And this product, people may ask, okay, you have cellular care, you have colon care, why you need the extra one? Today, the environment is overpowering us, guys. We got a super duper product for that. Then fourthly, we have another product just came out from the oven maybe 1 month ago, and this product is called the Neuron Care. Today, we are so much dependent on gadgets. We're so much dependent on handphones. We cannot be without them, but they are affecting our neurons, guys. What are neurons? Neurons are like our spark plug. There are sparks created at the end of your nerve system, and these sparks are the communication between the brain and all your organs. When there is no communication, then their cells cannot talk to each other. We will be in problem, guys. So the neurons are very important. And what are we using to take care of all this? We are going back to Mother Nature, guys. We are going back to how the ancient doctors, the ancient masters took care of us. The people in the ancient time, whether they are from America, the Red Indians in America, or whether people in Africa, the witch doctors in Africa, they call them witch doctors. They are not witch doctors, they are powerful doctors. Or people in India, the ancient masters in India, or in China. All these people, the ancient people, were taking care of us by aligning ourselves with Mother Nature. Along the last 60, 70 years, we were away from Mother Nature, and we got all this disease contracted. We attracted all these disease, guys, unnecessarily. So we are going back to Mother Nature using technology. We call it nanotechnology or nanotechnology, guys. And we'll be covering about that afterwards as I go along the way. What is the second benefit you get? You get a personal sponsor bonus. This personal sponsor bonus is something that you can make money immediately. Okay, there will be 3 kinds of people who will be joining you. And you don't have to go out there to look for people, guys. Today, there are 1,000 people in your phone, your WhatsApp. In fact, let me tell you a secret, and most of you know this secret. 7 billion population in the world, 5.4 billion people are sitting in our phone now. And this 5.4 billion people are in our Facebook, 2.8 billion or more, Instagram, in Twitter, in LinkedIn, and in so many of the social media, guys. And what do we do normally with them? We just do a lot of chatting with them. And we are helping you to teach you how to convert your chatting hours to commercial hours, guys. And if you learn how to do this, you can make money while sitting in your home, like me sitting in the bedroom now talking to almost 100 people now. And you can do that also. Many come to one. Those days during my young time, one go to many. So that's why today's young people using this concept. What we used to do in 5 years, 36 years ago, today's young people are doing it in 1 year. What we used to do in 1 year, they're doing it in 1 month. What we used to do in 1 month, they're doing it in 1 day, guys. And that is a copy-paste business now we are doing now, guys. You will see the right way, you can go big way with us, guys. Okay, what is the package now? You see, you pick the package. You bring in the super package. That's the biggest package. You get the biggest returns. And it can be 550,000 naira or 4,500 ringgit or 1150. People come for many reasons. If they can come from the starter package, and their reason could be business or could be for personal consumption, doesn't really matter. The system will pay you 6,750, guys, or 6,750 or 15 USD. If they come in the star package, they'll get a 1 month supply of the product, or they have a business, and whichever way they come for, they make 13,500 or 135 or 30. Is 13,500. Sorry, the extra zero there. Okay. If you come in the supreme package, you'll make 63,000 or 630 or 140. If you come in the super package, you'll make 1570, 157,000 or 1575, 350, guys. So whichever reason they come, you'll make the money. And you can make that kind of money, guys. Now you saw the main thing. Let me run quickly on this. You see, if you come in the super package, you make the most, up to 35%. Almost half of the money is yours. But if you cannot afford that, read my lips, if you cannot afford that, if you come for the supreme package, you see, you will get the 15 USD, you will get the 30 USD, or 6,750, or 13,500, or 63,000. But because the super package is bigger than the super package, you will get only half of what the super gets. Instead of 1575 or 157,000, you'll only get 72,720, guys. So bigger the package, bigger the returns, smaller the package, smaller the returns. In the star package, you say, okay, I cannot count in any one of these 2 packages. I'm going to come in the star package. You will get the 6,750 or 13,500. You'll get the supreme package. You'll get half of what the supreme gets, because supreme is bigger than star. You'll only get 27,000 or 270 or 60, guys. For the start super package, you'll get 37,000 or 600, 360 or 80. So bigger the package, bigger the returns, smaller the package, smaller the returns. The smallest package, you get 5,625, 6,750, 13,500 or 18,000, guys. So you pick a choice now. Some people start small, grow big, or some people start bigger and go bigger. Now, what are the other benefits you get? You see, this benefit, If you are having financial problem now because of COVID-19, there are only two choices now, guys. You can either choose to sit down and cry about it, or you can try to do something about it. Many people cry about it. Some people end up committing suicide. In Malaysia, so far that I know, one family were doing business. They couldn't take the pressure. They committed suicide. The entire family committed suicide. Another young man was a pilot. He also committed suicide. So that's what's happening now. People couldn't take the pressure doing that. But we are giving you a chance where you don't have to go through that kind of pressure, guys. So if you see the right way, you can go big way with us. At least you can make immediate cash with us, guys. Now, what are the other benefits you will get? You see, this is business, and in business, we must have a lot of benefits coming for us. So we have what we call as outsourcing income. The system allows you to register people. You can register anyone from anywhere in the world using your phone. But if you are a super package, you can get extra income. That means someone joins in the starter package, you'll get 750 Naira extra, or 6.75 ringgit, or 1.50 USD. Someone comes a star package, you'll get 1,500 or 1350 or 3 USD. Someone comes in the supreme package, you get 6,054 or 12. Okay, on and above the introducer bonus or sponsor bonus. Someone comes in the super package, you'll get 15,000 or 135 or 30, guys. Extra income, outsourced income. Today, many banks are doing that. Housewives are staying at home, taking care of the child, and while taking the child, they're doing work for the bank. And this is the income, guys, outsourced income. Now, why we love this business very much? 85% of the money comes to our e-wallet, which we can use immediately. During the last budget, our own Prime Minister told us that everyone must go to e-wallet business. And this is e-wallet business, guys. Now, the 15% is retained as a deferred benefit. And this, out of this 15% that's retained, you can use 7% of that to go for holidays. You can buy gadgets and all that. Last year, we went to Istanbul. My wife and myself, a group of us from Dominator and other team members, we all went to Istanbul together with the company people. All paid for from the points, guys. And this year, beginning of this year, just one day before the lockdown in Malaysia, thank God, we were in Bangkok. We enjoyed the leadership seminar. And then we came back to Malaysia. The next day we saw Bangkok airport was like a ghost town. Okay. So we also went this year. And then next year is in Dubai, guys. Next year is Dubai. So this is like Google, guys. You work in Google, you can get all other benefits. You also get the same thing here. Now, you also have roll-up bonus. What is roll-up bonus? Since you took the trouble, you saw the opportunity, you came in the bigger package. That means you valued the system. You valued the system will respect you. What the system will do? You saw a friend, the friend liked the business, but he doesn't have much faith in the business. So he came in a smaller package. Because he came in a smaller package, the system will give you 7,500, 650, and 15 USD. Then this friend saw another friend. That friend has absolute faith in the system. And that faith is based on what he sees. And what he does, he came in super package immediately. The system will have money laid out there to pay. But system will not pay your friend the full amount. The system will only pay 20,000 Naira or 180 or 40, guys. Why? Because he came in a small package with less faith. Even if he has money, some people don't have faith. But what happened? The bulk of the money will roll up to the next person, guys. The bulk of the money will roll up to the next person. That is the super package that you are applying. That is you. And you will get 150,000 Naira, 1395 and 310. See, if you are here, you are happy. You may be watching Netflix at home and money comes into your system. What if you are here? Definitely you won't be happy, guys. So how to make it fair? Very simple. Before the friend joins in super package, he has to upgrade himself to super. If he upgrades himself to super, what happens? The system will pay him the full amount here, and you also will get the full amount because he's upgraded super. That system is time. And system gives us time to upgrade. If someone comes in the smaller package for one reason or the other, some people have the money, they don't come with a big package because they don't have the faith. Some people really want to come in big money, but because of money constraint, they cannot come. So such people can come in the smallest package, and they are given 60 days to upgrade. Upgrade to any one of the next 3 packages, guys. Okay, and in the star package, you're given 90 days to upgrade to any one of the next 2 packages. Supreme package, you're given 120 days. Super package is one-time investment, lifetime income. One-time investment, lifetime income. Now, most companies, if you miss any of these days, the 60 days, 120 days, 90 days upgrading, they won't allow you to upgrade. Superlife is very fair. Superlife will allow you to upgrade. You just have to pay 10% additional fees on the package you're upgrading to. A lot of people start small and grow big with us. A lot of people start bigger and growing bigger with us, guys. The choice is yours. Okay. I like the flexibility the business gives us. Now, they say you can listen to our opportunity for 15 minutes. Your body can listen to 15 minutes. Your mind maybe 45 minutes. Now you maybe have crossed the 45 minutes, but if your mind has run somewhere, please bring it back. Please bring your body, mind, and soul and listen to number 5 seriously, guys. If you really understand number 5, you will walk through the wall to do this business. Because the secret of this is number 5. What do you need to do to get the number 5? Like what we are enjoying every day now. You just have to pick a package. You just have to pick a package. Okay? They say touch your heart and ask your soul. In Malay, in our national language, they say tepuk dada tanya selera. That means if you're hungry for success, touch your heart and ask. And then when your heart says go for big, then go for the big one, guys. Okay? So if your heart says go for the big one, you come in the complete franchise bag, and I salute you. And some of you, maybe your heart said that you don't have the money, you may have borrowed the money from people. Doesn't really matter. But because most of the successful people in the world, they borrow money from people, guys, to start a business. But that also the system will help you. I'll show you that afterwards how. So you came in the super package, you put in the 550,000, you put in the 4,500, you put in the 1150. You get an international business account, you get the ID password, you get the key in bonus, you'll get unlimited income daily, and because it's unlimited daily, you'll get unlimited accumulated monthly. Now, you also get products, almost double the value. And that product is 650,000 or 5850, 1,300, according to the country you are. And then you'll get the products. And powerful products to help you to take care of you guys. Now I told you, you also can get back your capital. How to get back the capital? The system will help you guys. Since you have faith in the system also have faith in you. You just have to bring in a super on the left. The system will pay you a sponsor bonus of 175,000 or 1575 or 350. And then if you bring in one on the right, system also do the same thing, 175, 1575, double the amount. Okay. Now, there is a key in bonus. Because you're in a super package, a key in bonus. You key in 2 super, you'll get double the amount, 60 USD or 270 or 30,000, guys. Now, there is an additional income. This is the income I told you. You will get it while you are sleeping. Morning, first thing you get up, nowadays we love to see our phone because we will see the money coming in. And every day now money is coming for us. We don't have to worry whether there's money or not. We just want to know how much more, that's all. And you also can enjoy the same thing, guys. We all are ordinary people who took some extraordinary effort to do the business, and today the business is rewarding us extraordinarily. Now, what is this business, the development bonus income? You see, you will get 90,000 Naira or 810 ringgit or 180 USD. You see, US and Malaysia are very simple. Our flags are the same. Our currency is almost the same. We just reverse them on. Okay, 810 or 180, guys. Now, with this additional income, you will get a total income of 4,230 ringgit if you are Malaysia, 470,000 Naira or 940 ringgit, guys. Almost 90% of your capital is back to you. And wait a minute, you also got products free for you now. And these products you can use for your loved ones. If you were to buy this product, we don't sell in pharmacies. If you were to buy from pharmacies, you don't get to enjoy all these, guys. So here you come for a business, and then you get the products, you take care of loved ones, and you can build the business. I took this product 56, now I'm 58. I'm enjoying the health, I'm enjoying the wealth, guys. Now, for instance, you cannot come with this package for some reason or other. You don't have friends to go and borrow the money. You see, 90% of the business in the world are started from borrowed money. That's what banks are for. Assuming you don't have, then you can opt for the next package, guys. Don't rush yourself, don't push yourself. The next package, I run it quickly. The next package is called the Star Package. The Star Package is 115. Sorry, next package is actually the Supreme Package. We don't want you to come in the Supreme Package. We cannot even do that because 460, you need to upgrade to 1150. Or if you are in the Naira, if you are coming in the second package, 220,000, you have to upgrade to 550. But if you come at least on this smaller package, the Star Package, 57,500 or 450 or 115 is almost like 10% of the amount. You can upgrade later. Many Malaysians start with this and grow bigger. So you have the option to do that also, guys. Now you get the benefits. Of course, the benefits are limited because the package is limited. You get the 2,100,000 daily or 70,000, 2,100,000 monthly or 70,000 daily, 18,900 or 630 or 4,200, 140. Okay. You also get products worth of 65,000 or 585, 130. Now you can get back the capital also for these guys. How do you do that? If you bring in 1 star on the left, 1 star on the right, that's how you're paid. Okay. And then you also get the additional pairing bonus or development bonus because you have brought in 2 people. You won't get the key in bonus because you're not a super. So with that income, your total you will get is, okay, your total you'll get is 39,000 or 351 or 78 USD, guys. You will get almost 70% of the capital back to you. All the 4 will give you back your capital. The first package, the super package, will give you 90%. The second package will give you 80%. This package will give you 70%. The third package will give you 60%, guys. When I get back my capital, I'm either winning or I'm learning, guys. I'm not losing at all. That's the power of the system. Now, very quickly, I show you a projection. Business we start, we need projection, guys. I'm going to show you a projection based on the smallest package. If any small people come and do this business and they can make good money, any people come in a bigger way, they also can make bigger money, guys. And assuming you can afford only the small package, okay? Let me just run this quickly because this is 350 ringgit, okay? Okay, just give me a run quickly. I'm going to show you Naira. I promise you all to show you Naira. Okay, so assuming you come in the Naira package, 55,000, guys. If you come in the 55,000 Naira and then you brought in 2 people, what will the system do? The system will pay you. The system will pay you back 35,900. And that 35,900 is your capital return to you. Almost 70% of return is back to you, guys. Okay, now that is what we call as a structure. You already done your part. Now, you have gone to sleep after this. Assuming you've gone to sleep after this. The 2 guys who are coming now here, they are not consumers, they are not retailers, but they are business people. And they also want to do business like you. And what you do, you can go into sleep, you can go into hibernation, you just plug them into our system, our function, our training, and our coaching. We give nowadays coaching and training either online or offline. Nowadays, it's mostly online. Every Saturday, Sundays, we also have Super Sunday coaching or Super Saturday coaching. And when there are weeks we don't have, we'll let you know. When we have, we'll let you know earlier. Okay. So this coaching system, we are there always constantly for you. Either you can do it with your immediate group or collectively. We will do that for you guys. Now, what will happen? These guys come and do that. They also go on a slow mode and they take 1 week to get their capital back. What will you get? You see, you have already gone to sleep. You will still make 16,200 Naira, guys. Did you do anything? No, you didn't do anything. You see, you are getting that because they are connected to your network, guys. This is what Robert Kiyosaki said. Poor people work and they work for the rest of their life. Rich people network, guys. We are teaching ordinary people to do networking to become extraordinary here. I always say network marketing or this business is not for everybody. It's for people who want to do something extraordinary to be with their life. Ordinary can become extraordinary with this networking, guys. So as the network grows, there's a 4 of them, they do the business, they bring in the 2 people each. They get back the capital. What do you get? You get 32,400. Every one of them who start at that level, they also do the same thing, they also get back the capital. Initially, even though we started in Malaysia, the African brothers were doing more than us because they are working hard and they had that system there and they were getting all faster than us. That is why the first Crown Ambassador didn't come from Malaysia, guys, even though we started from here. The first Crown Ambassador came from Sudan. Sorry, not Sudan, from Uganda. I slipped my tongue. From Uganda, guys. BPL, below poverty line. That's what Uganda is. So you see, every one of them will get. This is not money game. This is not investment game, guys. This is not an M&M in Naira that many people are confused with. Those business, the first one wins, last one loses. We don't play that game, guys. This is strictly business. You need to put the hard work. And then you work with a system and you work with a team. So as your team grows, your income grows. And you can see everyone will get their income growing at every level they come in. Okay. And the faster they start, the higher they go. That's all. And if you start from your level and if you are bringing the network fast, you also make the income, guys. And the income is infinite and it keeps on going. I'm just going to show you a cutoff on the 8 week. On the 8 week, cutoff on the 8 week, what is your income? you get 2,092,000 naira, guys. 2,092,000 nairas. And that is fantastic income, guys. It will happen for every one of this thing here. I showed you for naira. It can same thing for USD. It can be same thing for any currency is C, because currency is the same. Numbers are the same, but value is according to the currency. That's all. So every currency will give you the same amount. And what did you put? You put in a capital. You got back the capital. You get a free product, and you're getting the extra income at the end of the day, guys. And people say, okay, this is perfect. Everybody is coming in like that, and you got that number of people. What if nobody joins me? Guys, we got a system, a very powerful system. And Dominator is the only team is going with that powerful system, guys. And that system, SuperLife has gone to 45 countries. Dominator has gone to 40 countries, guys. And with this pandemic, we are even going faster than before. So now you saw the system, how the system works. You saw it in different currency. Now I'm going to show you how it happens if you come in a bigger package. You see, on one end, you're coming in the smaller package. Okay. On one end, you're coming in the smaller package. Okay. And the other end, I'm going to show you how it happens if you come in a bigger package, guys. You see, if you're coming in the Naira package of 550,000, and because the package is bigger, everybody gets bigger income. Obviously, the returns will be bigger, and then the duplication happens like this. Everyone gets back their capital. You will get your income going up, and because the capital is more, is basic economics, basic simple economics, the income will be more, guys. So your income at the end of the day is 20,990,000 naira, guys. 20,900,000 naira. Powerful or not? You see, I added in this naira and to show that, because some of my Nigerian friends said, guys, sir, please include that also for this week. I'm giving emphasis for y'all at the request of the people there. And the same thing can happen in also in USD or ringgit, guys. USD or ringgit here. You see, one end is all man and money, man and work, very little money and work. The other end, man and money and work. There are only two ways to make money, guys. Either man and work or money at work. But if man and money at work together, it's even more powerful, guys. So the choice is yours now. Whichever package you come in, we are there to guide you. The bigger the package, the better for you and the faster for you. Now, some people ask me, okay, is the product a fake product, or are y'all using the product as a gimmick product? Guys, we are not money game business. We are powerful business. Our product is very important. I would have never come into this business with no product, guys. In fact, I studied the product when the company was at zero level. I studied the product. I broke down the product to pieces. And then I told my wife, this is the fantastic business. Right founder, right products, and this company is definitely going very far. I felt that at the zero level itself. And that is a gut feeling I had, guys. And then gut feeling means genuine urge to succeed. And if you have that gut feeling now, you can come in immediately in the 4,500 package you have Malaysia. Okay, or 1150 or 550,000. If you have that genuine urge to succeed, guys. So what you get immediately is a cellular care product. At that time, it took care of us longevity, took care of our health and all that. Nowadays, it's become the biggest protector for us against the illness, guys. And if you come in, even there'll be a lot of people who want to take this now. One of our biggest contributor now lately is USA. I see in my Zoom, after India, after Malaysia, this week, India was number 1, Malaysia was number 2, USA was number 3, guys. And last month, USA contributed 1 million worth of business for SuperLife, because in people, they are suffering health-wise and wealth-wise, guys. So we have a very powerful product to do that. And this product we started because of all these reasons. These reasons is all now backstory now. The reasons now is because of COVID-19 on all the disease that's going to come after that. And how are we going to protect you? We are using nanotechnology. We are using the latest nanotechnology, phytocellular. What is phytocellular? We are going back to the ancient way. Phyto means plants. We are going back to plants. Every scriptures in the world, from India to Middle East, to US, everywhere, all the scriptures say the same thing. Whether it's Quran, whether it's Bible, whether it's Gita, whether it's Buddhism, everybody say the same thing. For everything has something in the plants. From the fruits, I give you food. From the leaves, I'll give you medicine. We are not going to the leaves here, guys. We are taking the fruits. And how are we taking the fruits? Using modern technology. And that's called nanotechnology or nanotechnology. Whether it's potato or potato is the same. Nano or nano means 1 billionth of the molecules. An apple a day keeps the doctors away, they say. You have to eat lots of apple to do that. Now with ours, you don't have to take on a lot. You just take one sachet of a product first thing in the morning and put it under the tongue. Why under the tongue? Sublingual effect. The moment you put under the tongue, it's going into your system immediately, guys. And why these products are powerful, I'm not going to show the video now due to time constraint. You can get the video from your friend. It is powerful because of these 5 ingredients, guys. We have an apple, and this apple is called Utvila spot loba. It's not an ordinary apple. And this apple, in the ancient times, the royalties of Europe used to use this for longevity and anti-aging. You remember? The rich and famous also went for anti-aging and what do you call longevity. They also went to Switzerland. But what did they do? They got the injection of animal stem cell in human stem cell, which is very costly, cost $1 million. It was not reaching to the normal people. But in the year 2008, Fred Zuli found out that even plants has got even better than what the animals have or humans have, because animals and humans also consume to this. And today, lately now, someone has done a study on STC30 in US. They did a PhD on STC30, and they found out now there are 5 chemicals in a plant that must be needed in the human body or animal body. And when these 5 chemicals are lacking in the human body or animal body, the disease starts. So STC30, they found out that has got all the 5 chemicals that is in the plant. And that is what, when you consume STC30, you're consuming a complete food for your cells, guys. And this complete food comes from the apple and stem cell base. And this apple is not ordinary apple, I told you. If you cut the apple, you prick a nail, it can heal itself. Or if you put an apple aside, normally it will oxidate and it will shrink. This apple will be fresh for 6 months, even without refrigeration, guys. Secondly, the grapes is called cultivar grapes, the traditional name, or Sola Vitis grapes. And the best wine comes from Burgundy, and our grapes comes from Burgundy. So these 2 are the source for the stem cells, and stem cells are mother cells, guys. Even our human body produces stem cells from our bone marrow. What happens as we grow older, the production gets lesser. That is why as you grow older, all the sicknesses arise, because the cells go down weaker, your immunity goes down, and then your sickness comes out. But today, even young people are getting that because the lifestyle has gone haywire. So the young people, they can maintain their health. The older people can restore your health, guys. So the product will repair and then restore, rejuvenate, and revitalize. So that's what these stem cells can do. The second is bilberry or blueberry, guys. The third one, bilberry or blueberry. Bilberry or blueberry are very expensive berry. They got a lot of healing properties, guys. One of the things that people who use our product, they say, wow, my eyesight is getting better. And because of this bilberry and blueberry, guys. And today, many people are using their phones without their specs and all that. They are being affected. This product can help on that. Thirdly, we have the glizodin, glidin. You see, the first 3 products you can get in other companies, you may get. But we are the first company in the world to combine with this glizodin, glidin, guys. And you want to put products in online to move people, and that you must have USP, unique selling properties. You must have something that other companies don't have. Our unique selling properties, we are the first company to combine this. And what is this glizodin, guys? Within the word glizodin, you can see in the middle SOD. SOD is superoxidate dismutase. The highest antioxidant found in our body is SOD, guys. And this only the scientists the modern scientists only found in 1968. The ancient scientists knew about this long time ago. What is SOD? As the oxygen flows in your body to feed all the cells, the oxygen releases a kind of waste. And that waste is called free radicals or pathogens. These free radicals will sit on the cells and eat what the cells are supposed to eat. They are scavengers. And because the cells are deprived of the food, the cells die a natural death. And before their time supposed to be die, they're supposed to die in the middle of the time, they die earlier. So the SOD found in our body can counter that and take care of all that, guys. One component of SOD can counter 1 million of free radicals. That's how powerful SOD is. But today, because of our lifestyle, the way we are living our life, that is also not functioning properly now. So the scientists in France, Isocell France, found out that this particular fruit has got very high source of that SOD, more than what the humans produce. And they extracted from that and they gave it that. And where did this fruit come from? Migrated from India to France, guys. And then we have this glidin, a kind of wheat to transport it around our body. And then we have black currant, guys. Black currant. Black currant has got very high source of so many things, guys. This morning I gave someone, every time I meet someone for the first time, I will first ask them to try the product first. This morning I gave to one gentleman, he said, oh, I can smell, I can feel a lot of black currant. I say, yes. And black currant, oh my God, I must thank Dr. Ofori, medical doctor from Ghana, who told us the value of this black currant, guys. So all these things combined together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 combined together, we got a super food for the cells, which can take care of you against any illness, guys, any illness. And we don't use the word cure and sickness here. We don't ask you to play doctor here. We just take care of the healthy ones now. But if someone falls sick, you can ask them to go and check in Google or YouTube. There are a lot of testimonies. I always tell people ask me whether you can help this sickness or that sickness. I say, I don't know. Just try. Try for 3 months to 6 months. It has helped a lot of people. It may help you. Okay, but our focus is prevention is better than cure. Why pay more for sickness when I can pay less for wellness, guys? Now, taking one sachet is equivalent to taking all these, guys. They say if you want to counter free radicals, in the body, you must take 85 bananas per day for B6, 22 kilograms of spinach per day for vitamin E, 44 large eggs, not small eggs, large eggs for vitamin D, and 18.5 oranges. Guys, it's not practical at all. It's so costly now. Our ancient forefathers took care of this by roots, by spices and all that, guys, micronutrients. So today we are going back to the same way using nanotechnology, a simple concept, guys. And then we have all the other products. And as you join the business, you can learn about the products. We have days where we focus on the products alone. Through Zoom, I already had 2 symposium by medical doctors and 2 successful symposium, guys. And that symposium, people learned a lot about how medical doctors are looking at the product. Today, our products are being endorsed by medical doctors. Okay. We also have once a month, we have a testimony day. One of these Fridays, I convert to a testimony days, and we have fantastic testimonies in UK. You can go into my YouTube. You just put Dr. Maha. You can see a lot of testimonies about people who have used our products, guys. Okay. Now, MSIG. What is MSIG? MSIG gives you a protection of insurance cover, product liability insurance up to 1 million ringgit or 250,000 USD. It's not 1 million USD, guys, but 1 million ringgit. And anyone who say, oh, because of this, I have this sickness, or because of our product, they can claim damages, guys. A company, insurance company as big as MSIG, which is from Japan, which has got its own banks and all that, will never insure a product if the product is not value, guys. We are covered in every country in the world except for US and Canada, because US and Canada has got their own laws to take care of that. Okay. Now, I told you the people who come as consumer and retailers, they don't have to disturb you. First month they buy from you, second month they can buy directly with the company because the company is online based. But because they are in your network, you also make some money from that, guys. And immediate money is with the sponsor bonus and key-in bonus, the pairing bonus and the repurchase pairing you'll get the next day. And we have another income we have not released yet. The company has not released yet. That income is called uni-level bonus. When we pay a small royalty to the company will give you some coffee and you will get some income called uni-level bonus. It's a fantastic income, guys. And 85% you use immediately, 15% you keep, and you convert to all these guys. You can redeem for all these gadgets. You can redeem for, you can go for holidays. You can redeem for gadgets also. You can see all these people redeeming for their young people, old people, everybody can redeem, guys. Now, we also can redeem for holidays. The last 3 years, we have already gone to 4 countries, all from the product point redemption, guys. And now, I showed you the power of the system, SLWC global system. I showed you the power of the products that moves along with the system. I showed you the power of plan that moves with that also. Then I also showed you why the system is very powerful and it's gone globally, guys. Now, which is the platform that you're going to take? Say now, assume now, you became like Bond, James Bond, and you bought the license, the complete license, not to kill, but to build. Now you need a good car, okay? James Bond has got Aston Martin to take care of him. Now, what do you need? You need a good car like Lamborghini or at least Ferrari, guys. You can use Superlife in that manner. Why? Speed is the new currency of business. Speed is the new currency of business. All of us who come from the old school of thought, those of us who were born in 1960s, 70s, 80s, we are all come from the old school where hard work and after long work, we'll get income. Why? The first billionaire in the world took 40 years to make his billion. And that guy is called Rockefeller. Here, As the technology improved, then Michael Dell took about 12 years to make his first billion. And then came Jeff Bezos and all that, took about 8 years. And then Bill Gates, they're shorter as the technology improved, guys. In 2016, one guy did 19 billion in one day. The owner of WhatsApp, when he sold to Facebook. In fact, Facebook was almost sold to Yahoo. Mark Zuckerberg would have made more money than on the day he sold, but he was smarter. Okay, so now in 2015, a small baby girl was playing and disturbing the mother, a 5-year-old girl, disturbing the mother in UK. Mother gave her a phone and she went viral with the game online and she became millionaire, guys. Now the youngest YouTube guy, millionaire, is 8 years old, guys. So welcome to a new world where speed is the new currency of business. And here we are talking about speed, guys. Okay, and then the other thing is, one is gives you speed. The other one is going to give you a long-term, long-haul business. Member Supply's legacy is building a legacy for the next generation. So to have that business, you must have a business in the class of BMW, in the class of Mercedes, in the class of McDonald's and all that, which are all 100-year-old companies. And those companies are powerful because they got super product for consumers, super plan for distributors, and super testable company. And why they are still powerful? Because of the founder spirit guy. And we have a super founder spirit in the form of Mr. Lai Tekken, and he's a humanitarian at heart, and it's a strong business culture, and he enjoys being with people. And then he's also a very shrewd businessman. Not only is behind the scene as a founder, he's a front of the scene as a CEO. A company can make or break because of the CEO guys. And this guy is the right CEO to head us and to lead us, and he is doing the right job, guys. And that's why Supply within 3 years has already achieved what a company does in 5 years. We are cash rich, and we also own properties and all that now. And he's also advised by powerful people in the form of Paul Nair. Paul Nair is the brain behind the company, I call him, because he's from Oxford, London. He's a master strategist and master finance all together, right? Because he's got MBA and he's a Malaysian and he's got all these guys, and we are very proud of him also. Then we have Harry T. Harry T, I just had coffee tea with him just now before I came here. And Harry T is like, I call him Harry 24/7. And he is working very hard to make sure our company is always in the 5%. Most startup companies, they don't retain in the 5%. They drop off at the 95% level. Most 95%, they go off. But if you're in the 5% startup company and the 5% does very well, you'll be like the super lady in Alibaba. When Alibaba started, she was a super lady. Today, she's a multi-millionaire, guys. And that's how these guys are Jack Ma's of our super life. And then Leo is the youngest of the lot, and he's a CTO. He takes care of the technology. Without technology, you are nothing. So he takes care of technology. So each one of them have their own expertise. But today we are in the Zoompreneurship. Zoompreneurship is collaboration of souls for celebration of life. So they are collaborating. Don't see the race, see the grace, guys. Now, we have structured the company very well. The company, initially we rented the office. Today we own our office and everything is set. I don't have to repeat all this now, guys. It's very powerful. You just have to go and do your own checking. Company has got all the milestone achievements. You can go and play the Super Life World YouTube videos. You can see all our milestone videos. We have got the awards for the product. We are already member of Direct Selling Association, guys, within the first year itself. Not only that, our founder is also in the cover story of the Direct Sellers, their first magazine, and we are the first cover story. And we won an award in London, and this award was given for the superfood for sales, guys. And we were number 2 in the world. Not for network marketing. Generally, all the companies in the world came, and we are number 2, guys. And then we also won a quality award in Germany the next year. And we won an award this year, just before the lockdown. It's got Brand Laureate Award. And we have our own plant, our own GMP factory. And this GMP factory is in Bandar Sungai Long. And that GMP factory now, we are supposed to go in the Q4 2019, but because of lockdown, it's delayed, but it's already there, guys. So if you can see, we have got fantastic milestone achievement. Now, you can see the videos all once you get into the business, or you get your friends to send you the videos if you want to see more, or you can go to YouTube and see. We have gone to 45 countries. These 45 countries in a very short period of time because of these 3 things, guys. This is a trend: online social networking, direct selling, and wellness. I don't have to repeat this. This is a power, guys. Number 2 and number 3 was leading the last 75 years and created more millionaires than any other industries put together. Today it is number 2 and number 3 are married to number 1. And that marriage is a marriage not of convenience, a marriage of super duper, super highway, guys. And because of that marriage, you and I are enjoying life. And all this marriage is taking place in our phone now. Okay, so thanks to that. And then how are they doing it? Just like Amazon, just like Alibaba, just like Lazada and all that. Everything is taken care of online. Logistics, payment, freedom, and legality. And then now teamwork, guys. Remember I told you hard work, system work, and teamwork. Hard work must come from you. You must have something bigger to put your hard work. System work comes from the company and technology. Then teamwork comes from us, Dominator. And to talk about teamwork, who could be a better person? And the first richest man in the world who comes from US. He was a migrant from Scotland and he became the first richest man in US, guys. And he made this statement. Teamwork is the ability to work together toward a common vision, the ability to direct individual accomplishment toward organization objectives. It's the fuel that allows common people attain uncommon results. And that is what we are doing, guys. This is what I love what the Africans say. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go with a team. And this is the power of the team. And that team is Dominated a team, guys. You see, when Superlife started, way before started, the Dominated team was said, chance favors a prepared mind. They started the team, and it's a global team. They didn't know that it's going to go global. They didn't know how it's going to go, but God gave them the intuition, and they started. See not the race, see the grace, guys. Today, grace can come from anyone, anywhere in the world. And it came through these 3 people first. And Mohan was a security guard, a common guy, a simple person who worked in Singapore Singapore airport as a security guard. And then Chief Warren was a lab assistant. And this gentleman also, together with them, and they created with Vidya. Okay, Vidya was a full-fledged engineer who didn't practice engineering. The 3 of them combined together, they created Dominator. If Batman has got Robin, then we need a sidekick there. And their sidekick also become a main kick now, and that is Vimalan. He joined them, he was only 20 years old, naive boy. Today he's 23 years old, but together they have mastered the game. And then I came along 1 month or 2 months after Superlife started, and we have created what we call as led by youth or lead by youth, guided by wisdom, guys. And that is Dominator for you. If you see the right way with us, you can go big way with us. We have structured our system so well. When we started in Malaysia, we had a project, first 100 millionaire. On the 6th of January 2018, we had this program we started. We told this company is definitely going to create minimum 100 million next 3 years. Why not it be us? So we started in Malaysia like this, South Zone, North Zone, Central Zone. We duplicated in Kenya, in Ghana, in Nigeria, in India, Zambia, South Africa. We are going very fast, guys. All you need to do, I remember I said, you start a why to do, and then we'll teach you how to do. And the how to do is first, you must be a leader rung. Next, we'll teach you how to be a Sapphire leader. And your hard work is only until Ruby leader, guys. After that, the system can take over. Today, what we did within 3 years, people are doing it in months. There is a guy in Malaysia who did in 90 days the Ruby leader, guys. Ruby leader, your income is 25,000. After that, you teach people how to duplicate that. I have pastors in Malaysia who joined me, from Nigeria who joined me. Within this 1 year, I created at least 2 rubies and 1 ruby is coming on the way. And they have never done network marketing before, guys. And that is how powerful our system is. And all you need to do is decide. If you come in the super fast and you bring in 2 super, you'll become in a business builders club. We'll recognize your business builder club. And then when you raise them up and you make them grow and they bring in 2 super together with them, then you will go into what we call as executive club. Okay. Then when they come and do the same thing, duplicate the same thing down there, they copy you and do the same thing, then you will earn 5,000 USD and you will be recognized by the company as a super leader. After that, the game starts, guy. And super leader, when each one of these guys become super leaders themselves, you become Sapphire leader. Your income is 10,000 USD. And then when they become Sapphire leader each, you'll become Ruby leader, 25,000 USD. You see, you make money by helping other people to make money, guys. Now, the duplication takes over. We got a young boy, 23 years old. He saw this, he learned this. He went back to a place called Ipoh, about 2 kilometers from us. And then he connected with people around the world through Facebook. Within a year, he made 50,000. And I'm glad to tell you, Last week, he attained 100,000 USD. A 23-year-old boy has become crown diver 100,000 USD. We have another 100,000, another 150,000 USD done by a young 23-year-old, and that is Vimalan, Chief Vimalan, who joined earlier as 20 years old. He's already done 200 film. Anytime now he's going to do his triple crown, guys. Triple crown diamond. The competition here is not with others. The competition here is with yourself. Compare not, compete not. Just be complete. And we will show you how to take this business far with you guys. And we got our first crown ambassador, not from Malaysia, not from any part of this part. It's from Uganda. Second, first in Asia, first in Malaysia is Chief Mohan himself. And the third one created yesterday or a few days back. And that is Jonathan from Ghana, guys. So anyone can do it if you put your heart and soul with us. Now, before I end the session, I also show you a lot of people have byproducts. The cars and houses comes here along with that. Young people who come out from college or school, what they want? They want a good car, they want a good house, they want a good lady. I call it in Tamil as Madi, Kadi, Madi, lady. It rhymes very well, okay? But people like me who have gone through all that, what do we want? We want to leave something behind, a legacy, guys. And that legacy, either you come for legacy or you come to get all that. Anything you can gain here, guys. Now, before I end, I'm going to play a short video. And this video, I started with a Dubai video. And I'm going to show you how to achieve the Dubai video by being part of this team. It's a 2-3 minutes video, and that video will come to you. You just have to start this with yours, guys. Purchase the franchise, introduce the franchise, develop the franchise with a simple system, powerful system. Let's watch the video. And this video will show you why we are powerful. And after that, we can interact and we can say goodbye after that, okay? Guys, thank you very much for patiently waiting and seeing the presentation. And then I'm very happy. I can feel the energy. And every time I start the presentation, I always ask, can at least one soul benefit from this? If I take care of one soul, I can take care of many souls, guys. Okay. And I'm going to get one or two other person who joined our business and for gain. Somebody asked me, Doctor, sorry, can you say again the meaning of system? System means save yourself time, energy, and money. Save yourself time, energy, and money. Okay. So I'm going to call a few people to share. They say a lady's voice is a better choice. I'm going to call Ambika Ram, who just hit leader rung from India, and she has joined us. She used to be into the normal network marketing business, but today with Superlife, she's going places, going well, and you can see her online presence is fantastic, guys. Can I have Miss Ambika from Pondicherry, India? Miss Ambika, you can unmute yourself. Are you there? Maybe she's not able to unmute. Let me just get somebody else before I get her later. Okay. I'm going to get Miss Bindu. Miss Bindu, can you unmute yourself? Okay, go ahead, Miss Bindu.
Good evening to all of you. Yeah. Yeah, my name is Bindu Alex. I'm from Chennai, India, and I'm very happy about being in Superlife because amazing results by using the product. It's such a wonder product, I should say. And not only that, I really am very amazed by the way the business is also growing. So that is one thing. What I realized is I'm from a traditional business background. My husband was a businessman. My father was also a businessman. Traditional businesses, if they're doing well, everything is well. But then if anything fails, then you don't have anything to fall back on. And in our traditional businesses, we could never leave anything. We have not left anything for our children, let alone for ourselves. And in this business, what I loved was that we can pass on the legacy to our generations. And not only that, none of our efforts is wasted. Every single thing is being rewarded by this amazing plan in Superlife. I love the way that as you build up the people who have joined you, who have come into the system because you have invited them, your own business also builds up. And money comes in even as you are sleeping. That is what I also love. Everything comes instantaneous. You don't have to wait. Like in a salaried person, you have to wait till the end of the month to get your salary. Here, it is not like that. Any business you bring into the company, you get instantly rewarded. And we have a beautiful pairing bonus or development bonus that comes in overnight into your system. So it doesn't matter if you are sleeping, money still comes into the system. Like they said, Robert Kiyosaki said, that if you do not get money coming into your system when you're sleeping, you'll be working for the rest of your life. And I really thank Dr. Maha because he's really, coaching us. That is one thing I loved also. Because here, you get coached. All you have to do is follow the system that they teach us, and we can do wonders. And it doesn't matter whether you are educated, whether you have money, nothing matters. Only your passion, your hunger, and your desire to succeed matters. And all you have to do, as I said before, follow the system. Beautiful coaching and training programs we have. It really brings out our personality, and anybody can, be coached to become a leader, leading people. And what I love is, do not compare with other people. You have to compare with yourself. All these things are what I've learned. And I'm a housewife, I'm a homemaker. And yes, I have worked. And I lost my job in 2008. Suddenly there was no income, nothing. Here it is not like that. Income is coming in every day, believe me, as your business is growing. And the health benefits are amazing, truly amazing. High energy levels. These are all things I used to struggle with right from school days, being very sleepy in the afternoon. But from day one of STC 30, high energy levels. And fantastic product for women. Women all across the world, I think, should definitely go in for STC 30 because that's what I found. I used to struggle for 43 years from severe menstrual pain, mood swings, and irritations, but all that disappeared after taking the STC 30. Just 10 days of using the STC 30 brought about a world of change in me. I'm really enjoying my womanhood at the age of 52. That's amazing. varicose veins, indigestion problems, all these things, so many things. One small sachet a day, addressing issues from your head to the toe. Awesome, awesome product. And I really thank God for the Superlife company, for this amazing, miraculous product, the SCC30, and Mr. Hemant Bhaskar. I really thank him for giving me the invitation. A small message, lovely opportunity, go see, that's all. I really am thankful to him, because if he had not sent me that invitation, I would have never benefited so much as my health and my wealth is concerned. Thank you very much.
All right. That is Miss Bindu from India. And you see, Bindu means one dot spot. And you can start this business from a dot spot and you can grow bigger with us. We call it from flicker to flare. And 76% of world network marketing business, 183 million of business is done by ladies now, 76%. And if you guys, we want to do this business well, then ladies, the homemakers can do wonderfully well. And I'm going to call her, that is a homemaker from India. Let us hear from a homemaker from Malaysia. And she has joined us. See whether she's here still. Okay, I saw her just now. Maybe she has left. Okay, and if she's here, I'm going to call her. Otherwise, I'm going to call another person. Let me see. Okay, if this person, okay. Darvina, hopefully you are Darvina in here. Darvina is a young student. She's from Malaysia and she's joined the business on a part-time basis. And today she's growing well with us. Darvina, can you unmute and share if you're there? No, I cannot get her. Okay, I'm going to call. Earlier, I called a lady from Pondicherry. She said she was not able to connect the sound. Now she's able to do that. Miss Ambika from Pondicherry is the first lady leader from her group from Pondicherry. Can we hear from Ambika, please? Go ahead.
Yes, happy evening to all. I am Ambika from Pondicherry. So first, I would like to thanks to Mr. Prem and Mr. Jagdish for giving this wonderful opportunity. I've started this business by taking a super package. Then this lockdown pandemic period, I have earned above 5,000 USD dollars. Not only me, even my teammates also earned about 3 and 4, 5 lakhs above. Because this wonderful system and proper leadership management beauty of our super life. So my vision is 1 crore in 1 year. So I would like to thank once again our international coach, Dr. Mahadevan, and the team dominator, Chief Mohan. So wish you all success. Thank you. Super life. Life is super. Thank you, Mahasar.
Okay, right. Thank you so much. I hope y'all can hear my voice clearly. Sometimes the lines here in Malaysia also does havoc during this time, especially because in the evening, a lot of people come into the system immediately. So sometimes it lags. Okay, so hopefully you can hear the sound well. If you're not, you can see the recording later. Okay, so let me call another 1 person, and then we can start. I hope, Darvina, you're here. Okay, today is ladies' night. Before I call 1 or 2 guys, I just ladies' night, guys. Okay, Darvina, are you here?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, thank God you guys can hear me. Okay,
yeah.
Good evening, everyone. Good afternoon, good morning to wherever you are. I'm Darvina from Malaysia. Well, I am a student. I'm 22 years old this year, and I see this Super Life opportunity in a bigger way, huge way, I can say, because it changes my life. I am just an ordinary student where I have a lot of dreams to achieve. And when I study and then I was working for 9 to 5 hours working space, I always think about it whether it will be possible for me to achieve a lot of things in my life when I get this fixed salary. Then when I joined Super Life from the box, right, my mind is always in the box. When I joined the Super Life, I became very, very positive with the quality leadership from the team dominator. I managed to bring up myself, and I managed to bring up my mind. I totally set my mind in a different way where everything can be possible. For those who are here, for those who are newly joined to this preview, take this opportunity without any hesitation, because if you hesitate or if you doubt the system, trust me, the system is not you are doubting it, but you yourself. The system is already set. The system is already powerful. The only thing is you. Set your mind, be positive, just join the team dominator, and all what you can see is the positivism and also the rich, the wealth in your life. Thank you very much, sir. Life is super.
How young are you, Darvina?
22 years old.
22 years old, okay. And have you ever thought that you'll be doing a business like this?
Never, sir. Never.
And has your business gone overseas and all?
Yeah, actually, it's very what do you call a new dreams lah, a new experience for me, because I never ever think that is that possible that I can handle overseas people. But now I find myself that I can handle a lot of people. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You see, those people who are born after 1997, we call them the Gen Z. They are natural entrepreneurs, because the Gen Zs, their attitude is they don't want to work for people. They either want to work for a startup and enjoy their partnership with the startup, or they want to do their own business. I can say that very well because my own daughter belongs to that category. She's about 23 years old. In fact, she has become my social media manager now, and I have to pay her for that. So every time she does some work for me, I have to pay her for that, and I encourage her because I develop a entrepreneurship. And those people, they don't want to work for anybody. My son, who is a millennium, was born in 1991, and he's also in that category. But they don't have the exposure like the Gen Z. They want to work hard, they want to have this thing, but they don't have the exposure of Gen Z. So today, we are not only going to make money by doing this business, we are going to have a lot of young people to study right in business in life, guys. So for the young people, we have them to study right. For people who are older, who are in the what we call as senior citizens, who are sometimes we don't know what to do. After retirement, we have a empty space in our life. But if you want to finish it right, so you can either come join us for study it right or finish it right. So do both ways, the Super Life business will help. And the best thing now, because of COVID-19, we are going to help a lot of people. You see, now you focus not on what you want, you focus on how you can help people, guys. During this time, what the world needs is solution providers. Lots of problems are happening around the world because of COVID-19. And through Superlife, we can become a very powerful solution provider. Health-wise and wealth-wise, we are going to help people, guys. So if you are new and if you're coming here for the first time, we will teach you and guide you guys how to do this. And all you need to do is give your heart, mind, and soul with us for 30 days. 30 days is all we are asking. And these 30 days, what do you need to do? 24/7. Talk like you have never spoken before, work like you have never worked before, and then do like you have never done before. Just 24/7. And this 24/7, you just bring in people to Zoom and let us do the talking for you. I always call you be the Minister of Transport, we will be the Minister of Information. Then while they are listening, you also listen with them. Your belief system will increase, your attitude will increase. You see, I always teach in my training, even before Superlife, at the cash formula. You want cash, then you need to have KASH. K for knowledge, A for attitude, S for skills and habit. So this you will gain as you bring in people. And then you will start seeing small income coming in. Then the power of one is you. You are the one who are going to decide this business, guys. In fact, this afternoon I was telling someone, this business is not about leading people. You cannot lead people. You can only lead yourself. And what you gain, you teach people. If they can lead themselves by what you have, then well and good. So our job is not to lead others. Our job is to lead ourselves, our body, mind, and soul, aligning with Mother Nature to enjoy life, guys. And that is what Superlife is actually helping us to do. And we have a very good founder who also does that. In fact, today he's gone for holiday with his family to Pangkor, and he knows how to take care of his life very well, guys. And he's a very hardworking guy. All the four of them are very hardworking. All the four founders of Dominator are very hardworking. We all are hardworking. And I know each one of you are also the category of hardworking. Otherwise, you won't be listening to this presentation. Now, you just have to align yourself to what we are doing. And we are coming with proof and with a system, guys. It's a proven system. And we have created a lot of young people who are doing successfully. We have created people who are, as long as they follow the system and they can get the success, guys. So I'm not here to impress upon you. I'm not here to convince you. But if you make a decision, a right decision, In the moment of your decision, your destiny is created. In the moment of your decision, your destiny is created. So decision comes from information. Information will give you reformation, and then soon you will have transformation with us, guys. So I thank you for this night. I know most of you want to stay back to ask more questions, but I want to go. You want to go. Let us meet again. Every Monday we have in Tamil, a global Tamil presentation. I call it for diaspora, Tamil diaspora. Okay. Every Tuesday we have in English. And this English one for everyone in the world. And the Tamil one on Monday is done jointly by our leaders from India and Malaysia combined. And Tuesday is done by us from Malaysia. And I'm going to get all our Nigerian leaders to come and support us on that also. So that will be coming soon. And then Fridays, we are having also the same thing here in English. And then we will give you also our training programs in between, and you also can participate that. Come along, join with us, and coming together is a beginning. Working together is progress. Staying together is success, said Henry Ford. So let us work together. Let us build together. I thank every one of you. All those people who have asked questions to me here, through me in my chat, I will definitely answer those questions when I later on see it. And then those programs, that the recorded versions, I'll be uploading into YouTube. I'll be sending to you also. So thank you so much for your time. Let us work together. Let us build together. Super Life, life is super. I'm going to unmute all of you. You all can say Super Life, life is super, guys. Okay. So let us unmute each other and we can say Super Life, life is super. Super Life, life is super, guys. Let's unmute.
Super Life, life is super. Super Life, life is super.
Super Life, life is super.
Life is super.
Super Life, life is super. Super Life, life is super. Super Life, life is super.
Life is super.
Life is super.
Super Life, life is super.
Life is super, guys. Super Life, life is super. Okay.
Super life, life is super.
Super Life, life is super, guys.
Super.
Okay, Super Life, life is super. Thank you so much.
Super life is super.
Life is super. Life is super.
Life is super. From Toronto.
With nature, Super Life, life is super. Good
Super Life, life is super.
Life is super. Life is super.
Super Life, super.
Life is super.
Life is super.
See you all on Tuesday. Bye bye.
Wonderful.
Bye bye.